Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this granny square heart, but this one is going to be more of a rectangle, right? So yesterday I posted this video on the granny square heart. So you're going to work in the back part of this for row 1. Most importantly, the first thing you're going to look for is the cluster. It's 3 half double crochets. In that cluster you'll work in the top parts. On the curved sides of the heart you're going to work further down. Can you see where I'm showing you there? So the first part is the top part, right? So that's easy. You will make a slip stitch. Now, in between, just after the corner heart, your first 3 cluster, you're going to slip stitch into the back of that. Remember the top back. Chain 2. And then in the same place, the same set of stitches, but the last one, also on the back, you're going to slip stitch. So this is your first corner that you will be doing. Now, when it comes to these chain stitches that you're going to make, chain 2 is for the corners. You can chain 4, 5, or 6, depending on what type of wool you're using. Okay, so I just chained 4 there to see now, and I'm going to count 6 of that curved part of the heart and go in to one of the stitches at the back. Can you see I'm lifting that up, but it's further down at the bottom because I want it to look like a rectangle / square at the back. Chain 2 and go into the stitch next to that and slip stitch. Now we're doing our chain stitches, and that's 5. So on the one side I got 4, on the other side I got 5. Again I count 6 of the double crochets. Go to the back, right to the bottom of those stitches, slip stitch into the base of that stitches. Chain 2 for your corner and go into the stitch right next door and slip stitch. So you've already made 3 corners. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and you can see you can't see it on the front. And you're going to find that 3 half double crochets, like how it is on the opposite side. Go into the top part, not bottom, top. Chain 2. Find the half double crochet, which will be 1 away from that, and go into the top part. You might have to use the tip of your nail to actually get your needle in. Chain 4 and measure. Now you can see it's not working, so I'm going to add another chain, and I'm going to slip stitch into the very first 2 chain that I made, and I'm going to quickly work that tail that's in my way off camera. I've made a structure to the back for us to work the next 2 rows on. Does that make right? Now I need to work that tail away. I've worked the tail. You're going to chain 2, which counts as 1 DC, 2 half a double crochets, 2 chain, 3 half a double crochets, and that's your first corner. 2 chain, 3 half a double crochets into the long 4 chain piece. Now this is going to be the side. 2 chain. Now we're going to do that entire corner again, which is 3 half double crochets, 2 chain, and 3 half double crochets. So in every 2 chain space, you will have your corner made, and wherever you got your chain, it's 3 half double crochets. So you need to do that until you get to the end of this row. And then just move it around so that you can center it. So now you will have a 2 chain and a 3 half double crochets after that, and 2 chain. Don't forget, corners is that entire 3 half double crochets, 2 chain, 3 half double crochets. And I'm going to meet you right back there. Slip stitch into your first 2 chain space, slip stitch across those stitches and into the 2 chain space, where you're going to make another corner. And this is how far you have come. You just have to move your stitches a bit around. Do another corner, which is 2 chain, 2 half double crochets, 2 chain, followed by 3 half double crochets in the corner, 2 chain, let me get some wool, 3 half double crochets, 2 chain, 3 half double crochets into that 2 chain space, 2 chain, in your corner, 3 half double crochets, 2 chain, 3 half double crochets. And you're going to continue this for the rest of the round, and I'll meet you at the end of this. Please be advised at any time you can stop this video, pause this video. You can slow down this video in the settings. You can even enlarge it. And you're gonna slip stitch into your chain 2 space, make 1 chain and cut your yarn. You're gonna work your tails in. So the one thing that is good about this, you can enlarge this video by using your 2 fingers and making it much bigger so that you can see exactly where I'm going into. Once you've done cutting your yarn, you are done. Thank you so much for watching. I will be using this to make a little box as a gift for Valentine's. So that will be on the next video. I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.